Hi, I'm Pastor Bill, and this is your Minute That Matters. All week long, I'm going to give you 5 keys to spiritual success, things that you and I need to do to be successful in the second half of 2021. The first key is understanding we have to minimize our fears. Fears are false evidence appearing real, and all of us have some type or kind of fear. A fear of height, or a fear of darkness, a fear of speaking, a fear of flying. There's all kinds of fears that can pop up in our everyday life. We have to make sure we're not allowing fear to rule and dominate our life, because not only is fear a negative emotion, fear can turn into sin. In Revelation 21:8, it's the first sin that's mentioned there in the book of Revelation. So we have to make sure we're dealing with fear on the level we're at, because it's not going to go away on its own. Get rid of fear so you can be successful and experience the blessings of the Lord Jesus Christ. I'm Pastor Bill. This is your Minute That Matters.